and welcome to Dream Fitness Power Yoga. I'm Vineet Saxena, your yoga and fitness trainer. I would like to tell you about an asana that will help to boost your immune system. This asana stimulates all the systems of the body, whether it is muscular system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system and hormonal system. It tones all the organs of the body and remove lethargy. This asana gives deep relaxation by eliminating nervous tension. This asana needs to be practiced before Shavasana in order to attain deeper relaxation. And if it practiced upon waking up, it immediately restores freshness. But there are some precautions also. Those who are suffering with heart disease, high blood pressure, back pain, stomach pain and pregnant women, they needs to avoid this asana. And let's see how we can perform this asana. So let's get started. Welcome back. This asana is called Naukasana, the boat pose. You should be empty stomach before you try this asana. So let's start. Lie down with the back straight. Keep the eyes open throughout. Breathe in deeply and hold the breath. And then slowly raise your legs, arms, shoulders, head, trunk off the floor. Your feet and shoulders should not be more than 15 centimeters off the floor. Hold the body on the buttocks and keep the spine straight. Your arms should be in same level and parallel to the toes. Your hands should be open, palms down. Look at the toes. Remain in the same position and hold the breath. Count to 5 or maybe longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax in supine position and breathe out. Be careful not to injure the back of the head while returning to the floor. Relax the whole body. This is one round. Practice 3 to 5 rounds. You can also increase the time if possible. So relax in Shavasana after each round of Naukasana by gently pushing out the abdomen with inhalation to relax the stomach muscles. Now what is important in Naukasana is to focus on the tensing of the abdomen and on the breath. And also you should remember to inhale before raising of the body and exhale at the supine position. So if you have any query, please comment, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.